Today, we are talking about top best video editing software and app. When I was starting, this is one of the major issues. I was so confused because there are a lot of videos editing software and apps for mobile phone. But here, I will recommend the best one for you. Welcome back to the Video Editing Digital Forum. My name is Prince Daniel and I'm so glad we are here. If you are just joining us, this is day 2 of the 30-day video editing journey. So if you missed the one, kindly go and check it out. That's where we'll cover the overview of the course and things you can expect. I know many of you will be like, what are we here for today? Is it time to start editing? I know. But before then, I want to watch this video.
Why are you in a hurry?
We are in January. You said you
January.
let us know.
Did I tell you January 4th? Did I tell you January 10th? Did I tell you January 16th? You people are just, calm down.
You see that? So you need to do what? Relax, exercise patient. Video editing is not something that we should rush. It's something that we will learn gradually so that you understand it very well. So today we are talking about top best video editing software and app. When I was starting, this is one of the major issues. I was so confused because there are a lot of videos editing software and apps for mobile phone. Yeah, I was like, which one should I use? Which is the best one I'll use now? Yeah, as of then, though, they don't have much like that as of now. Now, say for smartphone, there are plenty. For now, there are plenty for computer also, a few of them. Yeah, but then I started with iMovie. So as of then, I was using the free version. But as of late, I discovered that is not what fits me, or that is not the best for me. So here, let's go to Google and check out the best editing app. Well, that is Google search. Almost all the video editing app and softwares are the best, but it depends on how you use them. Understand? You can use any of these to create app to create something good. So it depends on how you use them. But here I will recommend the best one for you. That's the one I know how to use and the one that I have been using that is very nice to me and I know how to use it very well. So for laptop, I have 2 software that I use that I enjoy, like the one that I know inside. Yeah, that is Adobe Premiere Pro and DaVinci Resolve. But these 2, which one is the other? What of them all? So I will break it down. You see, when it comes to editing, it just requires some patience and time to start to create the magic that you want to create, because this editing is like imagination. When you have a story, you want to bring it to life. You want it to be something compelling to the people out there. So when it comes to editing and best software for laptop, I prefer these two software because they are the best for me. It might not be the best for others, but for me, they are the best. That is DaVinci Resolve and Premiere Pro. But then, which of these do I use often? For me, I use mostly DaVinci Resolve for color grading and some basic editing. And I use Premiere Pro for almost all my editing. You understand? I use it for adding transition, effect, cutting, and doing the normal editing. And for color grading, I think DaVinci Resolve is the best for me. But then I can also use Premiere Pro to do overall editing from starting to finish, from importing my footage to adding transition, effect, color grading it and everything completely. But I can't use DaVinci Resolve to do all those stuff. That is for me. I might not be for others, understand. Then it comes to something like mobile app. There are plenty mobile apps out there. There will have KeyMasters, InShot, CapCut. These are the popular ones that I know. There are many other apps. Then we have Adobe Premiere Rush, though most of these are not free. I'll get to there how to get most of it in a lower budget, or some of them say for free, understand. I will teach you how to get them for free. So we have all these mobile apps, but then I have two mobile app that is my favorite. I have two mobile app that I use to edit. Number one, CapCut. Yeah, CapCut is one of the apps. Though as of back then, I was using Power Direct. So the features inside, I was not really enjoying it then. You understand? I was just using it for the meantime. The second one is VM. Yeah, because if I'm editing something like a comedy skit, I usually use VM. It's very easy for me to use, adding the sound effects and all that. Because that one allows me to install the sounds inside, install the sound inside the app. But CapCut, you have to import all the time and do all that. If you come to overall, the best app that I like for video editing is CapCut. Because CapCut, you can use it to do a lot of things that you can even do on your computer. There are some things that you will do on Premiere Pro, you can also do it on CapCut. Understand? So CapCut and VN is my favorite, and another one is InShot, but I mostly don't use InShot like that, so I don't really know much about it. So for VN and CapCut, that is my best two app for video editing. So when I'm editing with them, I usually feel relaxed, especially CapCut. And that app is so powerful if you know how to edit with it. Some of the videos I post on this channel, I edited it with that app, or you can't tell the difference between the video I edited on phone and the one that I edited with my laptop. Yeah, unless I tell you that this one's I edited. I used CapCut to edit a full movie, like a movie of 40 something minutes. Interesting. I've also used CapCut to edit music video from beginning to end. I mean, music video shot on camera. But nobody knows that I did it on my own, because as of then my laptop was having some issues and I was trying to stop it. Time was my client was stopping me, so I just had to do everything possible to get the project done. So I used CapCut to manipulate it. So now this is best editing software and apps for me. For laptop, I prefer using Adobe Premiere Pro for overall editing, then DaVinci Resolve for collaborating. If I want to twist color, manipulate color, whatever, I use DaVinci Resolve. Then for mobile phone, I prefer using CapCut and VN attached InShot. VN, I use it mostly for editing comedy skits. Then CapCut is overall editing. In the next episode, I'm going to talk about how those apps works, the interface. We are going to open it and I will show you everything, all the features in the apps and the software. So all you will do is, if you don't have the mobile, if you're editing with your smartphone, if you don't have the app yet, go and download it on the Play Store or on the Apple Store. Download one of these things that I mentioned, CapCut, because I'm mostly going to use CapCut, and I'm mostly going to use Premiere Pro for this teaching. So if you don't have it yet, go and get one. Download it and keep it, because next episode we are going to open it and I will show you the features inside. Then we'll import our footage and start editing. Thank you for watching. If you find this video helpful, hit the like button, drop your comments on the comment section, and if you have not subscribed, please subscribe to this channel and stay updated. Though I suppose use different channel for this teaching, but because I'm having issue facing my channel, I'm using this one. So soon we are going to move to different channel. Thank you for watching and see you tomorrow.